Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with JFlores. I'm using the multiple time frame system. This is a mid-week analysis. Pretty much we're going to analyze the markets that we previously saw on Sunday. So we're going to look at that. Thank you for all the new subscribers into the channel. Thank you so much. Hopefully this is a helpful channel for you. Let us know if you have any questions or any comments. You can leave it on the comment box below the videos in YouTube. So let's get it going. Like I said, this is multiple time frame system. It's a great system. You gotta trade with rules all the time, and it's gonna pay you well. Okay, so let's get it going. I got out NCD on the screen right now, and this is my demo. I call it demo real account because I enter in trades here, but very small lots. Okay, this kind of I taste the waters before I go deep into it, pretty much. So we're gonna see how the market develops in during the next hours or from here to tomorrow. So let's get it going. So that's odd NCD. We're going with the master trend. That's a good trade right there. We're expecting on Sunday. I put this mark right here, expecting the market to go up, and now we're expecting to go down. We'll see how that's gonna go. So that's working real good. So that's one good analysis right there. Let's go to USD CAD. On the USD CAD, I had this mark also saying that the market, we were around this area on Sunday, and I was saying that the market was gonna go up, which it did. Okay, and then the market what's gonna come down. We got brothers and sisters in the area. That was a good trade today. I caught a little bit of that because I was at I was in a meeting during the day, and I was not in front of my computer, so I just cut it kind of with 30-40 pips around that area earlier. Then the market it looks like it's gonna keep moving down, but okay, that's the second trade that our direction's working real good. And that trade was with the master trend. So hopefully a lot of you guys took advantage of this. And if this corrects up like that, I will sell it again, for one more low. And we'll see how this develops. So that's two good trades for the week. CAD JPY. This one worked real good. I put this mark right here that market was gonna go up, and then that the market it was gonna come down, which it went sideways right here for a day, maybe a day and a half or something, and then it started just raining down. Okay, so now we're going in. Let me see with this. Actually, that's that trade right there was with the master trend. So hopefully some of you guys are catching some of those pips. It still looks like it has strength going up, so we'll see how that develops. Okay, so let's keep it going. That's three trades in our direction. Okay, and this one, for some reason, I erased the direction where I put it. But on Sunday was, today is the 9th, so Sunday was, let me check. Sunday was, what today is? Wednesday, 9, 8, 7, so 9-6, so we were around 9-6. So we were around here, I think. But I think I put a direction that the market was going to go up, and then we were expecting for this to drop after that rise up right there. This is well, I remember now that I was telling that this pair was doing a pullback. Okay, so the best thing to do is for us is to stay away from this until this move it's complete. It's probably gonna, I don't know, the way it looks, it's probably gonna drop. We'll see how that looks for the next few days. But when it is on a correction like that, you're right in the middle of that correction, so there's ain't much to do in that area. Okay, so that's for out CHF. Okay, I'm not gonna count it like negative because I totally forgot where I put my mark on this, but we're gonna put it in neutral. Okay, cat CHF. Yeah, I don't know what I did with all my marks, and that's happening sometimes. You know, I put marks here, there, and then they show up in another area. But okay, now 9/6 on Sunday. I believe we were around this area, 9/6, in that area again, I think. And then we had another high. So I think I was saying that the market was going to start dropping from this area, but then the market went a little bit higher, not much. So still good. And now it's going to start dropping. So this market's still probably going to drop a little more, do a correction, and then to complete that, complete the entire structure for the brothers and sisters, magic arrow in the area. So I'm pretty confident that's going to happen. EuroCAD also, let's see, EuroCAD on 9/6, we're around this area. Yep, so I think we already had brothers and sisters. The market started coming down to do its pullback, but we know in general, we know this whole move right here, it's a pullback. Okay, so there's a way to trade pullbacks, but it's better to stay away from them. Our better trade, it's that trade right there. Okay, that already started coming down. In this case, I mean, the way I see the market, okay, and I use this filter. I'm not going to talk about it right now, but sometimes you're going to hear me say, I think the market's still going to do another high before it starts coming down. Okay, because I have a special way to see the market because I was trained with Elliott Wave. So I still believe this is still going to go another high, maybe not too much, and then starts coming down. Okay, so but we'll see how the market goes. I got a market. This is my way to see the market. It doesn't mean that it's going to work 100% of the time, but it works a lot of times. Okay, so that's one of my filters pretty much. Okay, but normally if I was going to go on this trade, which this is doing a correction, you can see that right there, I will wait until this move is completely done. But it doesn't mean it can just come down straight from here, okay, because it does it sometimes. But my filter, it's you gotta wait for another high, then come down. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I went out and doing this line of that's why I don't have a mark. That's the reason. And I just saw my list right now, so I look at GBP USD also on Sunday. So let me look at GBP USD. Okay, right there. Okay, there you are. Okay. On Sunday, we were on this area. I was saying that we were going to have a pullback, which we did have a small pullback, not too big, and then the markets dropped like crazy. Okay, like we were expecting. So we were expecting a bigger correction. It didn't do a bigger correction. It's just the market dropped bigger. So it went up and then came down pretty much. That is the figure. I mean, when we draw something on the chart, this doesn't mean it's going to follow exactly our lines, but we're talking about direction, up and down in that area. Okay, so that worked pretty good right there for JPUSD. What is our master trend saying on this? Okay, so our master trend is saying that we're going up. That's a good trade right there. Okay. Matter of fact, let me take that trade. That's a good opportunity. We got brothers and sisters. Take it to we're gonna start it like that, very slow volume. I normally put, let me get it slower right here. I look to the left. Remember what Tim Irvin was teaching us in one of the recent videos, and I'm gonna hide my, oh come on. Normally I'm gonna move my stop loss to be protected by this brothers and sisters right here previously. So this worked pretty good. Now we're going into a buy. This is a good trade also. I don't know why, but I'm telling you guys, a lot of time on Wednesdays the markets align real nice. Okay, NCD CAT, let's look at that real quick. NCD CAT. Okay, I'm on this trade right now. On NCD CAT, we were here. Not saying that the market was going to come down, which it did exactly to that point. Then I said the market was going to go up, and it did. And now I'm saying to the market that it's coming down, which I have a trade coming down. So far, these two moves are real good. No problems. NCDCHF. On NCDCHF, I think we were around this area. I said the market was going to drop, and then the market dropped because we got brothers and sisters. That's why. And now I think we have a very good trade aligning up. That is a good trade also right there, developing right now as we speak. What the master trend? Okay, so that's NCD and USD Mexican peso. Then I thought I was looking at that. Okay, on USD Mexican peso, we were around that area. I took this trade right here, and I was positive, and for some reason, lack of focus, I didn't get out. Okay, and normally, I mean, if you enter a trade on around this area right here, and you're taking all this, and you get a 4-hour support resistant arrow, you're supposed to get out. Okay, unless you're going for the long-term trade. But if you're going from 4-hour to 4-hour support resistance, you're supposed to get out right here. I did it. It didn't win against me. Okay, so that was my mistake. Lack of focus. I forgot I had that trade going up, but no biggie. We're gonna keep going. We all make mistakes. Okay, so that's pretty much it right there as far as trades that we analyzed on Wednesday. And I would say easily 80% of them are moving the way that we analyzed the market that it was going to move. We are not magicians. We're just using rules, and we're using this multiple time frame system that it works. It's proven, and it's proven every single week that it's working real good. Again, you need to trade with rules if you want to join our group. I have, if you're new, let me show you something before we leave. I have a special coupon code, and I have it right here. It's $20 off. Use code JF20 and a special discount. And if you message direct to Tim Irvin, he will give an additional, on top of this, an additional discount. so you can obtain this great system. Also, Tim with Irvin has a gold package on YouTube, which is very good, because you get to be in the group. You get all the inside videos that you can't see without being in the golden YouTube membership. That it's worth it, real 100%. So if you don't know what it is, you can taste the waters like that, and you'll understand what it is exactly. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the week. I like to put like a few opportunities. We'll see if maybe if I see something important tomorrow or Friday, I will put like a small training video for you guys to enjoy. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and have a great rest of the week.